Hi everyone, this is Bill, and you are on Funnest Travel Beat with Angela and Bill. Today we take you on board the Carnival Liberty for a stateroom tour of Oceanview cabin 1433. We will show you around the ship, tell you what we think about it, and stick around to the end because we have a special guest appearance by my daughter Caitlin Bentley, who will show you some idiosyncrasies regarding the in-room safe, which we had a little bit of difficulty with. But again, as always, we'll tell you our thoughts at the end, whether we like the cabin and what our thoughts are on having an ocean view rather than a balcony on this ship. So thanks for watching it, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is Bill, and we'd like to thank you for watching the video. Before we get started, we would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel if you want to see similar content to this, and hit that like button. We actually have a video we uploaded last week on a full ship tour of the Carnival Liberty. Now, the Carnival Liberty was built in 2005, and as I noted, this is an Oceanview stateroom. It is not a balcony, but it comes in at 220 square feet, which, especially for an older ship, is a really nice sized room. As you can see, we have a queen bed that can separate into two twins, a couch that folds out. There is a little table there. It was a pretty comfortable couch and a pretty nice table. As you can see, there's also a connecting door. So if you have people in the next room, you can open up that door and go back and forth. A little bit of storage there. It wasn't too deep, but it was good enough. There is a refrigerator here, as you can see, as soon as I get it open. And it comes from that side. The refrigerator was nice. There was nothing in there, so you can use that to put your drinks and things like that in. There's a bottle of water, which is not complimentary. You have to pay additional for that, so pay attention. There's a safe, which we'll show you a little bit later on. You use a credit card to, or your stateroom key to open. Little refrigerator. Interesting light. I don't know exactly what that's supposed to be on the lights, but the room was pretty airy. It was large. It was plenty of room for Angela and I to get around. Now, this was a short weekend cruise. It was Thanksgiving weekend we went on it. So we didn't really take advantage of a lot of the storage, but there was plenty of storage. As you can see, there's a lot of nice shelf space there. And surprisingly, plenty of closet space. As you can see, at first you look at this and it doesn't seem too wide. But there is, again, a little shelf on the bottom there. There's your life vest. But there is a second closet. Now, while it's a little bit difficult to get in here, as you can see, if you hang your clothes up and things like that, there's plenty of room in there. Now, one thing I'll note, as is the case on most cruise ships, especially older ones, there are not a lot of power solutions. There were none that we found by the nightstands. So if you are a CPAP user like myself, you're really going to need an extension cord. And there's only one plug, so you're going to need some sort of multi-plug. And again, just make sure that it doesn't have a surge protector because they won't let it on as Angela waves hello to us. Now, for an Oceanview room, like I said, this is really wide and roomy. Angela and I had no problem with us getting ready for dinner at one time. As you can see there, there's one regular American outlet and one European outlet, so you may want to bring multi-plugs or some sort of an adapter with you. Now the bathroom. That was kind of the part we weren't thrilled with. It was plenty roomy. As you can see, it's a shower curtain. It leaked a little bit, so you have to kind of be careful pulling that over, making sure you don't get water all over the floor. The room was pretty good. There was a decent amount of shelf space there. As you can see, some additional shelves to put things on both sides. So plenty of storage there. There's also a fold-out mirror, as you can see. The only knock I'll give this bathroom, it was plenty large enough, but it was decorated kind of weird. It looked very industrial, as almost like a prison bathroom or a NYPD police precinct bathroom. Little industrial, but it was serviceable and it was fine and it served our purposes greatly. Now I'm going to turn things over to our special guest star, Caitlin Bentley, as she shows you how to use the in-room safe. Okay, now Caitlin is going to demonstrate how to use a room key to open and close your room safe.
Now lock it. I want to see if my credit card opens it. If mine opens it. Is it locked?
Yep, it's locked. It's locked.
Okay.
Wait.
No.
But see,
because you weren't holding it.
Yeah, lock with one. Okay. Now try to open it with the other.
It's locked. Okay, it's definitely locked.
No.
Okay. No, you have to use the specific room key.
Okay, that's what I was curious about.
So yeah, it's specific to this code. So you can only use one room key, so you have to remember whose room key you used. But it does work. As far as a room key, you don't necessarily need a credit card. So.
Thank you, Caitlin. And now we will give you our final thoughts. But again, we'd just like to quickly ask you to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this. It really helps the channel out. And it lets you be notified when we do future videos. We have a ton of cruises coming up this year with some really special itineraries like Europe. We'll be on Princess, we'll be on some inaugural cruises. So you'll definitely not want to miss out on the updates because we have a lot planned for the rest of this year. The room was amazing. For a Carnival cruise ship and an older ship and an Oceanview, Angela and I usually do balconies. The room was plenty big. The bed was soft. It was comfortable enough. It was a little soft for us. We're used to a harder bed, but it worked. It was, like I said, a really nice size room. And when you open the window, open the shades on the window, it provided light. We're not fans of interior staterooms. I'd like to know whether it's day or nighttime out. But again, we enjoyed the room. It was a quick weekend cruise. We would probably have no problem doing a 7-night or longer cruise on this. There was plenty of storage space. So, if you've been on the Carnival Liberty, let us know your thoughts below, and what you think of. Would you do an interior room, and would you do an interior room just for a shorter cruise? But again, on behalf of Angela and on behalf of Caitlin Bentley, my daughter, and son-in-law Michael Bentley, who was on the cruise with us, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and as Angela says, come join us on our next adventure. Bye-bye, everybody.